Hey my YouTube boots, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how we achieve these men's style box braids. So if you're interested, keep watching. So I did wash his hair off camera, so now I'm just going to detangle it and blow dry it. So I'm going to use this Chi Silk Infusion Serum just to use it as a shield to protect his hair from any heat damage while I am blow drying it. And now that we have his hair all blown out and stretched out, I am now going to begin braiding. So I'm just trying to get the best part. Parting is the most important part of the process to me because I just feel like it needs to be really straight and really neat. So just make sure you're taking your time while you are parting the hair. When braiding, I like to use a pomade or a styling gel. He wanted to use the pomade of his choice, so he chose the S Curl 360 pomade. It's actually a good pomade and it wasn't greasy, so that was a good thing. So now we are ready to begin braiding, and when I start my braiding, I try to stay as close to the scalp as possible so the braid can lay flat. The client wanted a middle part, so I'm just sectioning it so I can give him the desired look he is wanting to achieve. So now that we got the client all braided up, I'm going to apply this Haitian black castor oil just to keep his scalp moisturized and oiled. I'm also going to apply this Main Choice Styling Foam Mousse just to prevent any frizziness. This is a really good mousse, so I will link you that in the description bar below. And this, you guys, is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to do more videos like this of styling and doing different styles, let me know in the comment section below. And I will see you guys in the next video. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys later.